A human cannot compete with a machine or AI when it comes to productivity, mass implementations, speed, and accuracy. But the number one complaint that my clients bring me when it comes to the sorrows of work is the lack of creativity and expression. And I think this is an opportunity that we have in front of us. We are at the verge of an era where work can become more meaningful for people. When we infuse our soul with work, then we can really witness creativity, innovation, curiosity leading us to better solutions and better innovations for our collective future. And this is really a message of hope in the midst of all the terror that is being shared across social media regarding the capabilities of AI and what it means to humans and their work going forward.